Why do 30% of Solana users experience transaction delays? Let's find out. First, breathe and wait. Sometimes it just takes a bit longer. If waiting isn't your style, try resyncing your wallet. Open your Solana wallet, tap the three vertical dots and select Resync. It's like giving your wallet a little wake-up call. Still stuck? Increase the transaction fee. Solana prioritizes transactions with higher fees, especially when the network is busy. Just a tiny boost can make a huge difference. If all else fails, you can cancel those pending transactions. When the network is back up, try again. Remember, Solana's block propagation protocol sends blocks to staked nodes first, which can slow things down for RPC nodes. So, during high traffic times, some delays are just part of the deal. Quick recap, wait it out, resync your wallet, increase fees, or cancel and retry. Simple steps to keep your Solana transactions smooth and speedy.